My name is Alex Fontaine. I'm the President General Manager of Montpak International. We're part of the Preval Group. We're a family-owned business that we do all the step on the veal, lamb, and beef production. So we do like the feed, the farming, harvest, and meat processing for the three species. Our family, we start on the farm side. So we have that great product. We have good animal welfare and all that. And we come after that to the meat processing side where we have a lot of experience. We have employees that have been with us like 40 years, cutting meat and doing like quality product like you can see here, like from scallopini, ossobuco, and meatballs and all that. And we took that experience we're having on veal and we brought it to lamb and after that to beef. So now we have a very complete offering of product. We knew that our product is a niche product and we wanted the customer, the consumer, to find it on the shelf. So one way to differentiate ourselves between the white, the black tray, and the other color was to have like something like purple. And that worked very well. So people can find our product now, and our brand is something, but a lot of people would talk about the purple tray, right? Yeah, like many companies, we have like labor shortage challenges, and all our projects now are focusing on how can we simplify the process, how can we remove like labor from the process and have our labor in more value-added step. We have been working with Bizerba for 15 years. So we started with the scale, a very efficient scale system. It worked well with our trays. And more recently, we bought the system. They brought the technology to us to apply that linerless sleeve. So we brought automation to the line. Before we're applying by hand, so now it's applied automatically. And also we reduce the number of sleeves that we have per product. So basically we can have the same sleeve and we put the name on it. So for example, that one is milk-fed veal. Here we have our value-added product. We have our grain-fed product. And that main sleeve, we can after that describe what is the product on it. So it reduces the number of SKU, it reduces the inventory of sleeve, it brings automation, and of course it's a very sustainable project. So to apply the sleeve with a machine, this is a great tool for that. So that equipment really saves people from the line and simplify our process. So the CleanCut linerless system allows us to have 40% more label because you have no back paper. So the machine is more efficient. We have less downtime. Of course, we want to reduce the packaging waste. We want to reduce it at the plant level, but at the consumer level, right? And when we extend the shelf life, that helps as well, so it minimizes the waste. It's important for us to have a machine that can apply the sleeve, apply the label, and also put the weight on it. So it's an integrated system, so it's much easier for us to operate when it's integrated. It needs less labor, and also all the line can speak together with the main software. And it's a very reliable system as well.
My name is Balo Kunadi. I'm engineer and I'm a project manager in Montpak International. Right now we put the labor around the package, and this machine we have one option to put just the labor in middle of the tray. If you have a small tray like this, we can do around 55 units by minute. If you have a big tray like this, we can do 40 or 50 per minute. We don't do everything manually. Right now we do everything automatic. The setup is easy to do. The HMI is very friendly to use. We have a good service.
Today we do veal slicer in small bucket. This is the final product packaging level. So let's see how it's done. I'm Derek Waggett, Sales Director for the Industrial Division of Bizerba Canada. Our CleanCut weigh price labeling system is the complete solution that dynamically weighs and prints and applies full wrap labels using our CleanCut labeling system. The CleanCut labeling system is a cutting method that reduces downtime because cuts are made on a glueless section of the label. providing a system that will reduce downtime because less maintenance is needed in the operation. The intuitive HMI display of the GLM-Ievo CleanCut labeling system is a 12-inch color touch display that makes automation of the system very easy. Loading that will correct each label's parameter automatically adjusts the machine, which reduces the amount of operator interface needed when changing the label.
Over 157 years, Bizerba has been providing unique solutions to our customers through two of our core competencies of weighing and labeling. We were able to provide our customers increased efficiencies, automation, increased productions, and reduced downtimes through the uses of our technologies. Here at Montpak, we've been able to help them install 2 lines using our CleanCut technology that applies weigh price labels to these packages dynamically with minimal operator intervention and automatic machine adjustments when they make those changes. Our CleanCut labels themselves, produced right here in our Boucherville Bizerba Techno-Label facility, use a unique design that prevents the knife from cutting through glues, which reduces the need for cleaning and therefore reduces downtime. The labels that we're producing in Boucherville are full wrap labels, the kind of labels that go pretty much right around the entire package. These labels are becoming more and more popular because you can get more information on the label. Of course, our linerless labels that therefore have no backing paper, reducing waste, allowing you to get more labels on a roll, and therefore increasing sustainability. Linerless labels have been a long time coming, but now they're available, and they're available from Bizerba. And our customer Montpak is using linerless labels with our machines to reduce their downtime, improve their efficiencies, and automate their lines. Labels, hardware, software, we've got the whole package.
You look at our packaging, you look at the new technology we have, it's always with that passion. Okay, how can we do something better? How can we improve? So it's always that continuous improvement. So the CleanCut Bizerba machine gives us the efficiency that we need and also fulfill our sustainability objective. Obviously, Bizerba is one of our partners. They have been with us for 15 years and we intend to continue to work with them. And they stay pricing competitive, right? So that helps.